Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I got sucked in by the internet again. This one, I don't remember which social media thing it was on, but it looked really good. I like all the ingredients, so it's chicken stuffing and green bean casserole. Sounds kind of odd, but I like green bean casserole, I like chicken, and like stuffing, so I said, what the heck? We'll give her a try. So that's what we're cooking today. Hang out and I'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. This is like super throw together recipe. Super easy. I'm going to start out with some leftover chicken breast. I got roughly 2 cups, maybe a little more. Toss that into your bowl. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Get that tossed in there. Get all the goodness out of the bottom of the can. And then we're going to take 1 can of green beans, drained. And then we just need to mix that all up, get it all happy together. If you like green bean casserole and you like chicken and stuffing, this is your recipe. It has a little bit of different taste because we're using cream of chicken, but it's all there. So anyways, all right, now I got my stuffing over here. I just made it up, so we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, but get that mixed up. We're gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper to this because I want some flavor. A little bit of salt or a little bit of pepper there. That's coarse ground. Just a little bit of sea salt. So mix it in. All right, got that done. Now get our 9x13 pan, baking pan here. Get that all dumped in there. Kind of schmooze it out. This ain't covering like it used to. Anyways, oh well, it'll be all right. All right, good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to let my stuffing cool a little bit because, like I said, I just made it. So, I'm going to let it cool a little bit. But we'll come back and get that taken care of. So, be right back. All right, y'all. I don't know what happened. I was using my phone to record, and I lost the next step. Next step is take French fried onions, spread them on top of the chicken mixture there, and then take your stuffing and spread it on top of that, and then a little bit of cheddar cheese. I used a 3-blend cheddar cheese. Not a whole lot, just enough to, put a little bit on top. We're going to bake it at 375 for 25 minutes. Then you're going to take the foil off and bake it for about another 5 minutes to make sure the cheese is good and melty. But yeah, sorry, I don't know what happened to that footage. I went to edit it and it wasn't there. So, but that's the gist of how you do it. So, all right, let's back to the rest of it. All right, y'all. It's been about 25 minutes. Take this sucker out of the oven. Get the top off of it. See how she looks. We can not burn ourselves. Smells delicious. Ooh-wee. That looks good, y'all. That looks really good. So now the recipe says to put it back in for about another 5 minutes till that cheese browns. So yeah, I guess we'll throw her back in for a couple more minutes and then we'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes. Ooh. All right, that looks delicious. We're gonna let her cool a little bit, and then we'll bring y'all back for our little tasty test. So y'all hang out, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. This stuff's set for a little bit, so let's get some scooped out, get it in a bowl, and do our little taste test here. So, like I said, it does smell really, really good. So, get all of our goodies down here off the bottom. All right. So, yeah, that looks pretty dang good. You ask me. All right. Let's have our taste test. So, all right, y'all. Got our bowl of chicken, green bean, and stuffing chicken stuffing and green bean casserole. So, let's give her a little taste test here. Trying to get a little bit of everything here. Y'all, that works. That's really good. Yeah. It doesn't have the normal green bean casserole taste to it, but it does taste really good. Yeah. Ready to go, y'all. If you're looking for a quick weeknight meal, 10 minutes to prep it up. You throw it together real quick. Throw it in the oven for 25 minutes, and you got a really good meal. So, yeah. I'm going to give it the bare thumb up, so I'll be making it again. Trust me. So, all right. Thank you all. Appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Consider becoming a member. 99 cents a month. You get early access to all the videos and help support the channel. So, again, appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and bon appetit.